Hi, my name's Tom, and this space age thing is one of the coolest lamps I've come across in a very long time. This is the Tubicen dual globe cordless electric light. It is super neat looking. It is pretty heavy. It's got a big battery in there. It's gold colored, and of course, the main thing you really notice is this dual globe. The globe on the inside is kind of prismatic. The globe on the outside is round and clear. It just looks really, really cool. Even as an object of art, it looks wonderful on a table or a desk. It just is an amazing little art piece here. But the really, really cool thing is that, again, it's cordless. You do charge it up in the back right there. There's a little USB-C port, and it does come with a cord. It does not come with a little charging block, but it does come with a cord. Plug that into any kind of a outlet with a USB, and you'll charge it up. Once charged, all of the operation is done with a single button press. Let me show you how the one button works. When you press it one time, you turn it on, and you can see it throws a beautiful light 360 degrees around. It's just kind of a fun lamp to have. It does throw light all over the room. It's a lot of fun. If you press it again, this is kind of a warmer light. You press it again, it'll go ahead and turn to a kind of a mixed light right there, and one more press, and it's kind of the coolest setting, and you press it one more time, and it goes off. That's all there is to it. You have a warm, a middle, and a cool light. You can also go ahead and brighten and dim it. And again, a lot of these LED lights now have the same operation. First, you turn it on. Now you go ahead and press and hold the button down, and it will get a little bit brighter. There it is, brighter, and I can let go. Once you turn it off and turn it back on, it does have memory. It will stay at the same brightness that you left it. If you go ahead and just press and hold your finger on it nice and lightly again, it will go ahead and slowly dim. There we go. And let go, and I'll let it go, and there we go. It's kind of a dimmer light, and again, I can still go ahead and cycle through the other colors just like that. And remember, it's cordless, so it'll also work outside, on a patio, by a deck, anywhere outside. You just go ahead and bring it out here. Again, no cord, pick it up, put it on the table, put it wherever you want, and it lights up the entire area. It is perfect for nighttime. Let me go ahead and change the color again, maybe. There we go, nice warmth. I kind of like that. It's just perfect for evenings, for inside, outside. It looks really, really cool. It'd be good for dining, for tables, for any kind of a little restaurant. Might want some little lights kind of around. Maybe dim them down a little bit so you can actually see your food, but yet not blind yourself if you're really that close to it. It's just a really, really nice little lamp. So as you can see, this is a really, really cool, modern, amazing light. It does, again, have all battery powered. It is cordless. It will go ahead and last 5-6 hours easily on a charge. It is a really, really neat little object of art. It's a neat little light. You want to get two of these things, just plug them in, charge them in the back, go ahead, put them around the room. It really is a neat effect. You'll get a lot of oohs and ahs. Very impressive. The luxury gold just looks great. I really like this light. A lot of people who see this light start talking about it immediately. This is a real trendsetter. Highly recommended. Just so you know, I was given this light to go ahead and tell you all about it, kind of show you the features, and that's exactly what I've done. It really is a pretty cool little lamp. I like it. Again, it looks great. One button feature is really, really nice, and the fact that it's cordless and doesn't have to be plugged in is also a great feature.